Tune-ups today look a little different than they looked 25 years ago. So let's talk about it. The first and main part of a tune-up is the spark plugs, and they come in multiple different flavors. Copper is the least expensive, but it only lasts about 30,000 miles. Some vehicles come standard with the copper plug, so keep that in mind. You also can get iridium or platinum plugs. These plugs tend to last between 90 to 120,000 miles. Some vehicles do require the use of iridium and platinum plugs. There are also other forms of plugs, but those are the three most common that you're going to see. A tune-up is more than just spark as well. We also look at the air intake system and the fuel system. So let's talk about air first. Obviously, we'll check your engine air filter first, but we'll also replace your PCV valve. This valve prevents your engine from building too much pressure inside that could end up damaging seals. Lastly, let's talk fuel. A lot of diesel vehicles and some gasoline trucks have separate fuel filters that need to get replaced at proper intervals. We also recommend a fuel system service, which will clean deposits off of your injectors. Deposits build up naturally over time and even quicker in gasoline direct inject vehicles. Make sure that you're getting that taken care of as well. Obviously, this is a very simple overview of what a tune-up is and what it includes. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're open Monday through Friday. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. Or you can visit our website, finsanto.com. And always remember, Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.